Guys, today I'm going to tell you the difference of baby bird, of a mom bird and a human bird. First, let me tell you about the cutest one, the baby bird. The baby bird usually sits on its egg, and so when it's done hatching, it sits on its baby, like in this picture. Look. Did you see its baby a little bit? Yeah. That's why this is called a mother bird. Now I'm going to give you of a human one. The human one is the human one does not lay eggs and is not like a bird. But the same is that they take care of the babies. That's why I also made a tree for it. Yes, a tree. Now, this is the baby. This one is so good and calm. So don't try to annoy him. You can, yeah. Should I go closer? Okay. Look at his face. That is so cute. So that's why the birds build this. I'm gonna let you see. Look at its beak right here, its eyes. But mothers do not, human mothers do not have a beak like this. That's why it's called a, what was it? That's why it's called a mother bird. He looks pretty fat, but he's not fat. He's just trying to be a shape that's big. Or the babies might be just moving a lot. Because I know the babies are sleeping. Whenever they sleep, the mom would just be on it. Even when a little bit waked up. See, it's moving. I'm not even going closer. It's just moving. I'm gonna let you see for a little. See, I am not bothering the bird. It looks like I'm petting it. Well, I'm not. It's just that the camera zoomed in. See, did you see the baby bird? Did you see it? Look. That's the baby bird's feet right there. I am not distracting it. So it's gonna start to learn how to fly. But first, the baby would have to learn how to walk. Did you see that? Look at its neck. Look, I see the baby head. The baby's head. Look at it. We already recorded for 4 minutes already. See, I am not bothering it. I think the baby just wants to not get sitting on now. You see the bottom? It's like a chick right now. You see that? That's the baby pigeon. Look at it. 5 5.1. Look. This is the baby bird right here. It's not just the baby bird itself making the mom move. The mom would also want to move to make it warm too. Yeah, you're just crazy, but I'm not crazy. That can actually happen. Look, it just got bigger. 5x, 1x. You see it? Look. Look at the cute, fat little pigeon. Looking fat. Oh, he's also breathing. This is called protection. He's protecting the baby, like your mom protects you in your tummy, guys. Look at him. This could be like around 10 minutes. Look at the bird. Look at the cuteness, little bird. Look, it's moving. I'm not making it move. It's just, it's not scared. It's just like, you see that bottom right there, the bottom right there? That means the baby's like, it feels like it's tickling, but it's not tickled. I don't know. I'm not a pigeon, so I won't know, like, everything. Yeah, you might not see him. It's not getting dark. Okay. Look at him. Look at the bird. It's so cute. Look, it's moving. But now, let me tell you about. So like your mom would not be like, how about just replace the baby in the tummy? It would not be like that, because I don't think that's possible. Do you see the baby chick? Do you see its leg? I see it. Remember that I told you, it's not the baby pigeon itself making the mother move. The mother can also make itself move. Do not try to tease him. Whoa. That was crazy. I also got a leaf. Because I do not want to disturb this little poor guy. Did you see that? Look. Oh. I am not. So you see that bird? It's so cute. Bye.